FDC4 production. This is Franklin, loyal to you as usual, and very happy over again because today I'm gonna bring more value to my community, to all of you. Today, I introduce you Google Digital Garage. Many of you didn't know that this exists. Some of you probably heard about it, but today you're gonna know more about it. And since you're already getting this through this channel, do not forget to hit the subscriber button and the like button and smash it with all your passion, because that's the same way I'm trying to deliver this, always for free. I am not getting a sponsor. I'm actually trying to provide this all the way to my communities, to people who didn't know that can use this to their advantage, to their business, to you increase your skills, all over the above. Let's go straight to the point. Digital Garage is a fantastic source or resource from Google where you get free tutorial on everything from your website to online marketing and beyond. Choose the topic you want to learn or complete the whole online course for a certification from Google. Topics ranges building building online presence, improve search engine rankings, using social media, selling online, and a lot more. I am sure you didn't know about this hidden gem from Google, and now you got it for free. Let's find some of these courses. Discover a range of free learning content designed to help your business or in your career. You can learn by selecting individual modules or dive right in and take the entire course end to end like explained before. Um, right now we have a selective result of 156 courses. Some of them include certification, like Fundamental of Digital Marketing. Let's go over there. It sounds really important. You can start the courses right away. The modules actually is 26. It's a self-paced learning on your own time, no rush. It takes 40 hours. Videos tutorial, like I love it. This is for beginners. Unlimited access, and you can do it for free. The way I love it, the way you cannot beat it, the way that doesn't take away from your pocket, the way that add up more to you instead of taking away. And it's a recognized certification that you can put in your resume if you're actually trying to improve yourself on the market. At the end of the road, it's what you know. It's not what is on the paper, but it helps. About this course, master the basic of digital marketing with our free course as accredited by Interactive Advertising Bureau Europe and the Open University. There are 26 modules to explore, all created by Google trainers, packed full of practical exercises and real world examples to help you turn knowledge into action. Why get certified? Improve your CV. Getting certified shows employers that you have a clear understanding of the core concept of digital marketing. You can also add the qualification to your CV and easily upload it to your LinkedIn profile. Find a job. Becoming certified shows you have a strong digital skill and that you're motivated to learn. Two essential qualities in the workplace. That is true. Demonstrating this quality can help improve your chances of finding the job that you want. Develop your career. Improving your career knowledge can help you find your job. get promoted, or start a whole new career. Now, I am a very I like to promote a lot to my people that that becoming upgrade their skills or becoming a better human being is a plus. It's a must to do. But I am the kind of person that I also like to promote people trying to figure it out a way to make their own business. Trying to improve your skills and and trying to work hard in order for you to end up in a job. I don't know. But if you're a beginner and you're starting to do your thing out there, the job is the way that you gotta go for. But if you have ways to find, to become and make a business, I think you're in the right place. So it's the right place to start. I really would love that you actually take advantage of these free, interactive, very nice courses, very strong backbone certifications, and will help you to become a better professional. And not even that, you can actually use it for your own good, for yourself, and you can put your own business. How it works: learn new skills with our bite-sized video tutorial, then test your knowledge with a quick quiz. So they test you, and then you can find out if you learn. The good things about it is that it's unlimited access. That means that you can take it over and over and over again until you feel that you master it. Number two, pass the final 40 question exam to get certified. If you don't pass it, I repeat, you can always go back and take it over and over and over again. Okay? It's not, it's like I explained before, it's unlimited access and it's free. Okay? And point number three, you can download and showcase your new qualification on LinkedIn or and in your CV. You put it in, people will recognize who are you and what you're going about, and you can add up this in your personal data, and they'll see that you are a person with value, that you're trying to improve yourself in in the business field, or whichever area you're trying to do so, because we have different modules. We have different courses. You'll see it right now. Module 26, the online opportunity, your first steps in online success, build your web presence, plan your online business strategy, skills that you will learn, analytic and data insight, business strategy. Well, this is a different skills, but the one that you will learn pretty much, I believe, is gonna be all of them. SEO is very important. Social media, web optimization. I think I might take this one because it might help too to my channel, and many YouTube influencers should be concerned about this. Learn the difference between mobile sites. Understand the difference between organic and paid search. Learn how to develop the most effective SEO plan and optimize web pages so that user can find content easy. SEO is really important. If you actually get skills about SEO, you're a god in the web. Success stories: over 300,000 people have already gained this qualification and are using it to develop and improve their careers. There you go. So we are a story. Let's actually put something about her, a little bit about her. Let's see.
Umiejętność prowadzenia biznesu w internecie staje się jedną z najbardziej pożądanych kompetencji u młodych osób wchodzących na rynek pracy. Dołączyłam do programu Internetowe rewolucje po to, aby poszerzyć swoją wiedzę z zakresu marketingu.
Well, she's actually speaking in a different language. I get it, but let's actually. I'm putting the closed captions that can translate what she's saying, so I hope you can follow up. But it's really important you see at least the story of Sylvia.
Internetowego. Platforma Internetowej Rewolucji to doskonałe narzędzie dla osób, które stawiają swoje pierwsze kroki w świecie marketingu
very good. You could see that Sylvia's story is really motivational. It helped. I mean, this course actually helped her. Well, she was already working in the field, but with this position, with this course certificate, it helped her to secure her job. It helped her to get a better position. It helped her to consult business owners. It helped her to do more and more and more. She's really happy with what she's doing now, and there are more stories. I mean, I just don't want to go through all of them. I don't want to get hit by copyright, by YouTube, by getting somebody else's business. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of what I found, and I gotta tell you guys, this is for free. There is no excuse anymore. I don't want to hear it. 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 There is no excuse anymore for you not to be capable to educate yourself and become a better human being, better professional. This is actually can be done on your own pace. You can take 5 minutes of your time per day and read and check these videos at the hands, at the power of your hands. Because everybody now has cell phones, got internet connection. Many people spend thousands of hours per year watching TV. There is no excuse that you cannot spend 40 hours of one certification like this in the entire year. I don't want to exaggerate the month, but let's say the entire year you cannot spend 40 hours to improve your own education, your own skills that can help you in the job out there to become a better human being. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. My people, we gotta stop. We gotta become better. The tools out there. Knowledge is power. Sometimes, back in the time, knowledge, information was withheld from certain levels of people, by certain levels of people. I get it. But now that is not anymore. Information is free and is out there. It's up to you to go and find it. And it's in the books. Who provides digital marketing certification by Google? You will be able to download your digital marketing certificate from the Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course landing page when you have completed the course. A progress indicator on the certification course page will show you how far you have come and what modules you have completed. You need to complete to earn your certificate. How can be awarded? You will earn an authentical digital marketing certification from Google, like the one we saw here above, right here. We got somebody with the name Anton Lee, something exactly like this, and you can put him on your back wall if you want. How do I get the Google Digital Garage certificate? You'll be able to download a PDF copy of the digital marketing certificate from the fundamentals of the digital marketing course page. Once you have passed the final test, if you want to keep that with your own for you to review and go over and check over if in case you forgot something. I lost my certificate. Where can I get it again? Once you have passed the final test, return to the fundamental marketing course page to download your digital marketing certificate whenever you like. But I always recommend download a PDF copy in your computer or your USB in some place and print out a few of them if you want. In case something happens, you can actually use it over again. Alright? This is one of the things that I like to bring to my community because it brings value. If you didn't know about this, you can always go to learndigital.com. digital.withgoogle.com. I'm gonna put the information below in this video so you can actually come and give it a check. As you can, well, this is one of the many courses available in there. You can actually look for categories about digital marketing, career development, and data. Look at that. Understanding the basics of the code. If you're actually into programming, you can actually do a lot. If you're not, then you can go to career development, land your next job and stuff like that. So the one that I like pretty much is digital marketing because it's related to the one that we are actually trying to deal with, which is YouTube, influencers, and more and more. All right. The certification is actually free certificate. Always you go with the free, of course, and you're gonna find many in there. Well, hold on. For digital marketing, this is the only one for free. Oh my gosh. Let me see what else. No. And data. Wow, look at that. Wait a second. Digital marketing. Well, it's the only one for free right now. Look at that. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The one with certification is fundamental digital marketing, the only one for free. Okay? All right? But all these are for free. Okay? You can take a lot of courses for free to enhance your skills. But the one that includes certification and is for free at the same time is fundamental of digital marketing. So it still applies. I'm gonna leave it up to this point because it has been too much intel. I don't want to saturate you with more. But if you want to figure it out and find more about this, you can always go to the Google Digital Garage, learn digital.wegoogle.com/digital garage /courses. Gonna leave the link below and you click in there and give it a check. As usual, it is always a pleasure to provide you this type of value. Please take advantage of that. There is no excuse. You found it in here at FDC for production. Hit the smash button. What did I say? Hit and smash the like button. I think I made a mistake at first. Hit the register, subscribed button. And if you didn't like this video, hit it anyways and subscribe and like, because in that way you can actually prove everyone that despite that you didn't like this video, you still hit the like and hit the subscribe because you're capable to give love back, even though this video sucks. Just kidding. Good luck, and I'll see you until the next time. I removed the music that I was putting on the another because it was making my voice a little bit confusing. I mean, many people couldn't understand, but I just wanted to put some music in the back end because it might be a little bit dry, But I'll figure it out. I'll see what else I can do. Plus, I had some problem with my headset that could actually figure it out too. I still using the same, but whenever I can, I'll figure it out and I'll try to buy a better one. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Ciao.